Lots of pitter-patter on Melbourne's wings. Anyway, welcome to Jetstar Airlines. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Today, we are going to catch a plane to Sydney and see Bondi Beach. Let's go!
In this week's episode, we're going to take you with us to show you how much fun it is to travel on a plane.
Going on a plane is really exciting. You get to see amazing view of the ocean and the land.
The first step at the airport is to check in your luggage. You need to weigh your suitcases to make sure they are the correct weight.
I don't know how much that says. And this one is what I'm holding. It's 4.8 kilograms. Okay, mine's 4. Airline, Jetstar, name and flight, arriving in Sydney.
We are now checking into our flight and printing off our boarding passes.
We've got our tickets and we're ready to go. Lucas, can I trust you to hold your ticket? I'll hold mine. I'll hold it.
Lucas forgot his teddy at home, so we have made a quick stop to buy him a new teddy to travel with.
Thank you.
Dog.
It's a dog. That's 14. Thank you. You've got to wait for your change, okay? And that's your change.
Thank you.
My pleasure, sweetie.
We are now in the departure lounge of the airport, where we can see all the planes on the tarmac. It is so fascinating to see how planes are prepared before they take off. This plane is getting filled with jet fuel. The jet fuel is what will give power to the aircraft so that it can make its journey across the skies. They are now attaching the passenger boarding bridge, an enclosed movable bridge used at airports to connect a terminal gate to an aeroplane. Here is the airport baggage truck that is carrying all the passengers' luggage that will be uploaded to the cargo compartment of the plane.
Aye, Captain. Your ticket, thank you. This is Oliver's ticket, which is me, obviously. Hello. Gracias. Thank you. Bubble gum. Oh, it's very cute. 25. 25? 22. I got Oliver, I have 2 windows.
We are just finalising the last of the paperwork.
Now, we're going to put on the belts. Take off.
To Sydney is approximately 1 hour and 6 minutes. Just a friendly reminder, ladies and gentlemen, smoking, vaping and e-cigarettes is not permitted on board. Laptops must be switched off now and stowed away.
If you are like me and get sore ears when the plane takes off and lands, then it is a good idea to chew some gum.
The gum will help my ears on the flight. Very good.
follow their instructions. As we get underway, please make sure your personal electronic devices are in a flight safe mode or otherwise completely switched off. Your carry-on baggage and larger electronic devices should now be placed either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker.
Planes are a great way to travel long distance and to make it easier to explore other beautiful faraway countries. By flying, you avoid land-bound issues like roadblocks and traffic. You are able to travel at super fast speeds so you can get to your destination quickly. You never have to worry about being hungry on a plane because they give you lots of food.
Cheesy crackers are yummy. Cheesy crackers are yummy. A typical Aussie sandwich. These olives are amazing. Sometimes when you're on an airplane, your mom might need to take a big, long nap. Isn't that right, Lucas? Are you happy? Why? This is buffalo. Don't sleeping, Mom. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Partly cloudy in Australia, yep, partly cloudy. But in Melbourne, really, really wet. Lots of pitter-patter on Melbourne's wings. Anyway, welcome to Jetstar Airlines. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Beautiful view in Melbourne. About 23 degrees today. Partly cloudy. Pretty good weather. Superstitious.
All planes have toilets for when you need to take a toilet break. I am now making my way back to my seat as we are now preparing to land.
Bring your seat back upright, lower your armrest, open your window shade and stir your tray table. Place your belongings either under the seat in front of you or into an overhead locker. Cabin crew team will now be seated for landing. Thank you.
As the plane descends through the clouds to land, we are experiencing some turbulence. Turbulence is when you feel the plane go up and down and shake as it's traveling through air pockets in the sky.
Oh! What? Look! We know that. Okay, where are we, Lucas? Where are we? I'm going over the country. Look at all the clouds. It's dark with water. Turquoise, not dark voice. Turquoise water. That's Australia over there. We're in Australia.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have reached the gate. The captain has switched off the seatbelt sign.
our vlog. Let's go.
Now we are going back to the hotel. The hotel has an amazing view, and we're gonna go relax and watch TV. Let's go. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more of our awesome videos.